Okay, so we found the pipe here. This is not a French drain. This is just solid pipe that they've installed, and you can see how deep that is. I mean, this is already below the street. As you look down and out, you can see this line, it just goes nowhere. I mean, it was very well installed, but you've got to discharge to daylight, and that's really the whole problem here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut this, put a T on it. The line's in good shape, there's nothing in it, but we'll put a T on here. We'll attach it to our sump basin. When we get that installed, lift it up, we'll trench a new line with the 1.5 inches out to the street. So again, this was just solid pipe. This is not a French drain of what they had told this customer, but anyways, we're going to hook up a T here, and we're going to discharge this line over to a sump basin over there. Perfect. I'm just going to point it up for a second, but once we finish trenching, we'll put this flat, have a downhill run over to that basin.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.